friends, once again welcome back to our channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Okay, today we are going to discuss part 10 of ratio and proportion is about a new pattern of questions which is very important for competitive purpose. Okay, we will discuss these questions by two methods as usual, process method and the shortcut next. Okay, questions based on change of ratios by increasing or decreasing to a given ratio. Let us see one example. Suppose two numbers are in the ratio 5:8. If each number is increased by 35, then new numbers are in the ratio 9:13. Then find the numbers. రెండు సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 5:8. ప్రతి సంఖ్యను 35 కలిపినా ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 9:13 అగును. అయినా ఆ సంఖ్యలు ఏమి? సొల్యూషన్. Actual method this is actual method. Given ratio of two numbers is 5:8. Then let the numbers are maybe the first number is a multiple of 5, so that first number let it be 5x and second number is maybe multiple of 8, maybe 8x. Okay, then according to number, each number increased by 35, that is 5x is increased by 35 as well as the second number 8x is also increased by 35, so that the ratio will become 9:13. Okay, right. By cross multiplication we have to find x value. By cross multiplication, 13 times of 5x plus 35. 13 5s are 65x and 13 5s are 65, 6 carry. 13 3s are 39 plus 6, 45 equal 9 times of 8x plus 35. 9 times of 8x plus 35. 9 8s are 72x. 9 30s are 270. 9 5s are 45. 270 plus 45, that is 350. Okay, so 72x, take the 65x from LHS to RHS, we get minus 65x, as well as 455, take 315 from RHS to LHS, we get minus 315. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 140 equals 72 minus 65, that is 7x. 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 7 0 0. That is x equal what? 20. Then what are the numbers? 5 into 20, comma 8 into 20. 100, comma 160 are the required numbers. Let us see shortcut method. That is method 2, shortcut. Very interesting shortcut. Okay, ఒకసారి తెలుగులో చూద్దాము. రెండు సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 5:8 ఇచ్చాడు. కాబట్టి ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యలు, మొదటి సంఖ్య 5 యొక్క గుణిజం అవుతుంది, రెండవ సంఖ్య 8 యొక్క గుణిజం అవుతుంది. కానీ ప్రతి సంఖ్యకు 35 కలపడం వల్ల ఆ నిష్పత్తి 9/13 అవుతుంది. అడ్డ గుణకారం ద్వారా x వాల్యూ 20 రాబట్టాం. అప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సిన నెంబర్స్ 5 into 20 100, 8 into 20 160 అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు షార్ట్ కట్ చూద్దాం. Given that the ratio between two numbers is 5:8, then each term is increased by 35 units. Each term is increased by 35. Then the ratio will become 9:13. మొదట ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 5:8. ప్రతి సంఖ్యను 35 పెంచడం ద్వారా ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 9:13 అయింది. See the difference between these two numbers, that is first two terms of both the ratios, difference is 4 units, and here difference, find the difference of second terms of both the ratios, that is 5 units. So difference are not equal. Difference are not equal, but each term is increased by 35 units, but difference between first two terms of both the ratios, second two terms of both the ratios are not equal. We have to equate these differences. How? See, consider the difference of first and second term of first ratio, that is 3 units. So multiply 3 units to the second ratio, and difference of two terms of second ratio is 4 units. Multiply these 4 units with the first ratio, so that what will we get? Let us see. So first ratio becomes 4 5s are 20 is 4 8s are 32. Second ratio will become 3 9s are 27, 3 13s are 39. Now observe the difference between first two terms, second two terms of both the ratios. Difference is 7 units. Here also difference is 7 units. See, difference between first terms, second terms of both the ratios are equal. That is, both the ratios are increased by 7 units. That is, 7 units value in terms of value is 35. 7 units value is 35. 1 unit value 7 1s are 7 5s are. 1 unit value is 5 units. 1 unit value is 5. Then what is the original number? 25s are 100. 32 5s are 160. Therefore, the numbers are 100, 160. Let us see in Telugu. Shortcut. First ratio 5:8. అసలు రెండు సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 5:8. వాటిని ప్రతి సంఖ్యను 35 కలపడం ద్వారా 9:13గా మారింది. కానీ ప్రతి సంఖ్య 35 పెరిగింది. అది నిష్పత్తుల భేదం చూద్దాం. 9 5ల భేదం 4 యూనిట్లు, 13 8ల భేదం 5 యూనిట్లు. ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. ఈ మొదటి పదాల రెండవ పదాల భేదాన్ని సమానం చేయాలి. ఏ విధంగా చేయాలి? మొదటి నిష్పత్తిలోని రెండు పదాల భేదంతో రెండవ నిష్పత్తిని, రెండవ నిష్పత్తిలోని రెండు పదాల భేదంతో మొదటి నిష్పత్తిని గుణించండి. గుణించడం ద్వారా మొదటి నిష్పత్తి 20:32గా, రెండవ నిష్పత్తి 27:39గా మారుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 27కి 21 తేడా 7 యూనిట్లు, 39కి 32 తేడా 7 యూనిట్లు. ఈ 7 యూనిట్ల విలువ ఎందుకు పెరిగింది? ఇది 35 కలపడం వల్ల. అనగా 7 యూనిట్ల విలువ 35, 1 యూనిట్ విలువ 5. అప్పుడు 20 యూనిట్ల విలువ 100, 32 యూనిట్ల విలువ 160. కావాల్సిన సంఖ్యలు 100, 160. Question number 1. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:9. If both numbers increased by 12, the ratio becomes 11:21. The sum of the original number C. రెండు సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 4:9. ప్రతి సంఖ్యను 12 కలిపినా ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 11:21 అయినా ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యల మొత్తం ఎంత? So initial ratio between these two numbers is 4:9. Then each term is increased by 12. Each term is increased by 12. Then the ratio becomes 11:21. But difference between 11 and 4 is 7 units. 21 and 9 is 12 units. Difference between first two terms of both the ratios, second two terms of both the ratios are not equal. We had to equate difference of first two terms and second two terms of both the ratios. How? See, what is the difference of 4 and 9? That is 5. Multiply second ratio by 5. Now, difference of between second ratio 21 and 11, that is 10. Multiply 10 by first ratio. But 5 and 10 are gets cancelled. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. What is new ratio? Our new ratio is 2 times of 4 8 is to 2 9s are 18. And 1 time 11 is 11 is to 1 time of 21 is 21. See, the difference between first two terms is 3 units. And also second term is also, difference between second terms is also 3 units. That is, 3 units value is, each term increased by 12. So 3 units value is 12. 1 unit value is 4. But what we have to find? The sum of the original numbers. What are the original numbers? 8 units, 18 units. Sum 8 plus 18. That is, we have to find 26 units value. That is 26 into 4. That is 4 6 are 24. 8 4 to the 8 plus 2 10, 104 is the answer. Sum of two numbers is 104. These are the original numbers. These are the new numbers. Okay. Second question. Two numbers are in the ratio 29:20. On diminishing each of them by 420, the ratio becomes 17:11. The difference between the numbers is. రెండు సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 29:20. ప్రతి సంఖ్యను 420 తగ్గించగా ఆ నిష్పత్తి 17:11 అవును. అయినా ఆ రెండు సంఖ్యల భేదం ఎంత? ఇనిషియల్ రేషియో ఈజ్ 29:20. Initial ratio is 29:20. Each term is diminished means decreased by 420. తగ్గించబడింది, ప్రతి సంఖ్య 420 తగ్గించబడింది. అప్పుడు then the new ratio will become 17:11. See the difference between these two terms. 17, 29, 12 is the difference, but here 9 is the difference. Here is 12 difference, here is 9 difference. We have to equate these differences. We know that, consider the difference between first two terms, that is 9. Multiply this 9 by second ratio. And difference between 17 and 11 is 6 units. Multiply 6 units by first ratio. So that finally we get, but 3 2s are 3 3s are. We can cancel 6 and 9 by 3 table. 2 29s are 58. Is to 2 20s are 40. And here 3 17s are 51. Is to 3 11s are 33. Now see the difference, 7 units. Difference 7 units. Yes, difference are equal. These 7 units value is decreased. Each ratio is decreased by 7 units. That in the value, that is 7 units is equal to 420. 1 unit equal to 7 6 or 42. 1 unit is 60. But what we have to find? The difference between the numbers. What are the original numbers? That is 58 unit and 48 unit. What is the difference between these two numbers? 18 units. We have to find 18 units value. 18 into 60. Okay. So see, units place is 0. 6 sides are 48. Tens place must be 8. The answer is B. That is 1080. It's tens place. Match the tens place. Tens place must be 8. Here we have tens place 0, tens place 6, tens place 4. So the answer is B. Next question. Third one. What number should be subtracted from both the terms of the ratio 5:19 in order to make it 3:4? 15:19 నిష్పత్తి యొక్క ప్రతి పదం నుండి ఏ స్థిర సంఖ్యను తీసివేసినచో ఆ నిష్పత్తి 3:4 అవును. Solution. Initial ratio of two numbers is, ratio between two numbers is 15:19. Let us suppose a constant number x be subtracted from each term of the first ratio. Then the ratio will become 3:4. But see, the difference between 3 and 15 is 12. Difference between 4 and 19 is 15. Both are not equal. Difference between these two terms and these two terms are not equal. We have to equate these differences. See, difference between 15 and 19 is 4. So multiply second ratio by 4. As well as difference between these two terms is 1. So multiply first ratio by 1. What we get? 15 ones are 15 is to 19. And 4 3s are 12, is 4 4s are 16. Yes, see, the difference between first two terms and second terms of the both the ratios are equal, and the difference is equal to 3. So we have to subtract 3 from each term of the first ratio. So answer is 3 to make it a 3:4 ratio. Okay. Second question. What number should be added to both the terms of the ratio 21:32 in order to make it 27:40? So initial ratio between two numbers is 21:32, and let us suppose we are added x to each term of the first ratio, then the ratio will become 27:40. But the difference between first two terms is 6, and difference between second terms of both the ratios is 8. The differences of these two terms are not equal. We have to equate these two differences. That is, difference of 32 and 21 is 11. So multiply second ratio by 11. And difference of these two terms is 13 units. Therefore, multiply first ratio by 13 units. What we get? See, 13 21s are 13 ones are 13, 1 carry, 13 twos are 26 plus 1 27, 273 is 13 twos are 26, 2 is carry, 13 threes are 13, 9, 41, 416. So first ratio will become 273 is to 416, and second ratio will become 11 27s are 2 7 plus 2 9 and 7 297, 11 fours are 44 and 0. So now see the difference between these two terms or these two terms. That will equal to 40 minus 16 24. Here also 24 is the difference. So we have to add 24 to each term of the first ratio to get the ratio 27 is to 40. That is answer is D. Okay. Likewise, the 5 and 6th question are homework for you people. Try yourself. Okay. Last question of part 10. Okay. 7th question. Very important question. The ratio between a 2-digit number and the sum of the digits of that number is 4:1. If the digit at units place is 3 more than the digit at tens place, then find the number. ఒక రెండంకెల సంఖ్యకు కామా ఆ సంఖ్యలోని అంకెల మొత్తానికి మధ్య గల నిష్పత్తి 4:1 మరియు ఆ సంఖ్యలోని ఒకట్ల స్థానంలోని అంకె పదుల స్థానంలోని అంకె కన్నా 3 ఎక్కువ అయినా ఆ సంఖ్య ఏది? Solution. Let us see the question by two methods. First, let us see shortcut. Shortcut is that by options. We have to find the answer by options. Which number satisfies the given condition? That is our answer. ఏ ఆన్సర్ అయితే ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ను సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందో అదే మన ఆన్సర్. గివెన్ దట్ units place digit is 3 more than the tens place digit. Yes, the units place is 3 more than the 4. Here also the condition applies, here also condition applies, here also the condition is applied. So second condition is satisfied by 4 options. Let us go through the first condition. The ratio of 2-digit number and sum of the digits. So let us consider first option. The 2-digit number is 47. Sum of these two digits is 11. Consider first option. Consider first option. That is 2-digit number is 47 and sum of the digits, sum of 7 plus 4 is 11. The ratio does not equal to 4:1. Okay. So leave the option A. Next come to second option. 2-digit number is 69. Let us suppose 2-digit number is 69. Then sum of the digits is 15. We get 3 5s are 3 23s, but does not equal to 4:1. So leave the second option also. Go through the third option. 36. 2-digit number is 36. Sum of the digits 6 plus 3 9. Yes, 9 ones are 9 fours are, which gives us 4:1. And units place digit is 3 more than the tens place digit. So answer is C. This is shortcut by option. Let us see the process or method. Method. Let us suppose the required 2-digit number be xy, where y is units place digit, x is tens place digit. So clearly it is given that units place digit y is 3 more than the tens place digit x. That is y equal what? X plus 3. రెండంకెల సంఖ్యని xy అనుకుందాం. ఒకట్ల స్థానంలో అంకె y, పదుల స్థానంలో అంకె x. అప్పుడు సెకండ్ కండిషన్ ప్రకారము ఒకట్ల స్థానంలోని అంకె పదుల స్థానం అంకె కన్నా 3 ఎక్కువ. Y value x plus 3. Okay. But in the first condition 2-digit number, but this xy can be written as 10x plus y by using its place value. That is y is at units place y into 1 plus x is tens place 10 into x 10x. That is xy equal 10x plus y. The ratio of the 2-digit number, that is 10x plus y, is to sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is x plus y is given by 4:1. That is, substitute the y value x plus 3. That is 10x plus, what is y? Y is nothing but x plus 3. And substitute the y value x plus 3 here also. X plus y value is x plus 3, which is equal to 4:1. That is 10x plus x, 11x plus 3 is to x plus x, 2x plus 3 equal 4:1. That is 4 terms are in proportion. You know that if 4 terms are in proportion, then product of extremes 1 times of 11x plus 3, that is 11x plus 3 equal product of means 4 times of 2x plus 3. 4 2s are 8x plus 4 3s are 12. That is 11x minus 8x 3x, 12 minus 3, that is 9. X equal to what? 3. But we have to find the number. The required number is x value is 3, but y is 3 more than the x, that is 6. 36 is our answer. This is by process. This completes the part 10 of ratio and proportion. Okay, if you like my video classes, please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Thank you very much.